Every success in life is a haunt. You start your business, you raise to another level, something will haunt you back. You finish education, something will haunt you back. You achieve in getting a marriage partner, again another thing will haunt you back. Every little success and step you move forward, like this, is a haunt pulling you backward. Every time you try to move in life, there's something that pulls you backward. Why is this like this? It is because all the finishing lines in life marks the beginning of a new race. You think you're finished all the race? No. Sometimes you can lose in a race when you're running alone. You can set your own target that this year I would like to complete buying my motorcycle. This year I would like to construct my house. You've begun the race and mind you, you are alone in the race. But you might realize that December comes, with your house, you have just reached the beam level. Bam, January 2024, January another year. It's a new year and you don't have the house or you don't have the motorcycle. You have lost in the race that you are running alone. Nobody is chasing behind you. Nobody is in front of you. But you're a loser. You have not completed the race. But even if you were to complete that race, to maintain the status of where you are is another haunt. Success can happen, wealth can happen, but to maintain your reign on top, just like Lumix the Don said, it is very difficult. Maintaining the reign or the regime on top, it is too hard because top is like a peak of the mountain. The higher you go, the more the gravity pulls you down. When you slide back, you fall down. So, if you succeed, if you make a progress in life, remember one thing. You're being haunted. And what are the haunts? It is the competitors who will haunt you. They will want to be like you. It is the jealous people who will fight you. They want to pull you backward to that level. Or put you down so that they are the ones who remain at that level. Hollywood movie industry used to pick big video cameras and climb on helicopter to shoot aerial view. But there comes a time when drone came in, like DJI Inspire 3, which can shoot cinematic view. So someone who have not upgraded himself from carrying the big camera in a helicopter to using a drone will lose the job. Because the person have not adapted to the new technology. That has not upgraded. So to summarize everything in life, you need to keep on upgrading your skill, your technology, everything that you do in life. Even the toothbrush you use. A newer toothbrush might come. Even the medicine we swallow. You have ever heard medics say, drug resistance, drug resistance, drug resistance. Even antibiotics become resistant to medicine. So you have to use the new app so that you can beat the new adaptation that the germ has developed in your body. So every success in life is a haunt. Be prepared for the haunting and make sure you beat the haunting beat that success that you've just gone through and have another success, another one, until the day you leave the world. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.